How does the number of loudspeakers influence speech intelligibility? Let us consider again a room with a listener somewhere, and we place a loudspeaker above him, so rather close to him. So therefore the early energy from the loudspeaker is rather high, and the late energy is lower. The early to late energy therefore is high, and therefore intelligibility is high. Okay. We place a second loudspeaker now, close to the first one, so early energy is about double, late energy as well, and the ratio early to late is still about the same, and the intelligibility also about the same. Now, if we place a number of other loudspeakers further away from the listener, then the late energy is increased proportional to the number of loudspeakers, but the early energy is increased marginally. So the early to late energy now is smaller than before, and intelligibility also smaller than before. The conclusion is that too many loudspeakers would tend to impair speech intelligibility. We have to keep the number of loudspeakers as small as possible.